Use this threader for wiring to lead the power from the lock body to the side of the door frame, which is right here. Then, all wires need to be connected to the adapter of the Goose Smart Lock. Now, let's look at this adapter, these for terminals. This is the output. Condensed and simplified. We need to connect the input to mains power. That's 110 volts at terminal L. L is positive. A is negative, which are the live wire and neutral wire. This side is. There are for terminals. V plus and terminal 12 serve as the positive electrical poles for this circuit. Terminals 3 and 4 are negative poles. We need to take the two wires coming from the door. Connect the red positive wire to V plus, and carefully attach the blue negative wire to V in sequence. After connecting everything, turn on the power. The adapter will turn on a blue light to show the power supply works. And that completes the power installation for the entire door. Today we are introducing the new version of our Luvindow, the user input tutorial. First, power on your device. After powering on, you will see a language selection option. Number 1 is English. Number 2 is Chinese. If you accidentally press the first button here, set it to English. Don't panic here. Wait until the screen turns off. Then, press the doorbell button to wake it up. Then press it again. Xinlinjing. When you see press 1 for English, reselect your target language. Just press here. Press 2 for Chinese. Okay, the mode is ready. Now the device has been set to Chinese. Next, we need to enroll the administrator fingerprint. You need a SIM eject pin for this process. It comes with the device. Press the small hole on the far left of the indoor unit and release it right away. Alright, now, it's time for us to enroll the administrator. Let's set a relatively complicated password for the administrator. Don't make it too simple. It will fail to register if it's too simple. Okay, let's continue. The ID 000 here corresponds to the password-based unlocking method. For this device of ours, each ID corresponds to one unlocking method, not an individual person. So, if you want to add a second one, press the pound key to continue registering your password access card. Press the star key to cancel, or continue registration. Now you can press your fingerprint. One corresponds to this administrator's thumb fingerprint. If you still need to register an administrator, then press the pound key again. Please register another administrator's fingerprint. For example, these two fingers, you can set to administrators. One is for yourself, and the other for a family member. Or you can register a key card instead. Now press the pound key. Place your card between the 5 and 8 buttons. Make sure it does not touch the screen. Okay, this card has been registered successfully. It corresponds to 003. The admin entry process is finished here. If you want to add a regular user, please proceed. Then the asterisk key. To go up a level, for regular users, just press 2 after going back to the previous menu. Enrollment process. After pressing 2, you will enter the regular user mode. Regular and admin users enroll fingerprints the same way. Let me show you an example here. Your left thumb. Thumb. Regular users correspond to code 004. Please make a note of this. 004. Then press the next button. Please register your fingerprint. Now register another card for a regular user. Okay. This 5 corresponds to this current card. To To proceed,
请录入指纹、密码、感应卡。请再次输入密码。密钥006，录入成功。继续请按井号键。
this password corresponds to 006. Now, let's give it a try. Just press the unlock button on the indoor unit. Return to the system. And now we can try using. Let's try unlocking the door with admin first. That's a really pleasant sound. This is exactly the sound we hear when unlocking the door. Alternatively, we can wait until the screen turns off. Then we'll test it with a regular user account. That was the admin. Let's test with a regular user. See, it works the same way. This also proves that the regular user's information has been recorded successfully. For the regular user card, it works the same way. The lights turned on just now. Once all 3 indicator lights are on, that means the door is unlocked. Next, let's talk about how to delete a user. Deleting a user follows the same rule. It requires authorization from an administrator. Now just press the small pinhole on the indoor unit. Press the function button once. Enable admin authorization. And now we need admin authorization here. Administrator approval. I used my fingerprint. Now we'll use a card. Let's try authorizing with the card.
授权成功。添加用户请按2，添加一次性密码请按3，删除密钥请按4。重听请按密钥删除用户请按1，按编号删除用户请按。
Okay, please note that we have 2 different deletion methods. One is deletion by key. The other is deletion by ID. Let's test the key deletion method as an example first.
请输入要删除的指纹、密码、感应卡。
This process is called key deletion. For key deletion, confirm which finger to delete. For example, press your finger on the scanner. For example, that's the left thumb of a regular user I added earlier. Place your left thumb on the scanner.
密钥004，删除成功。继续请按井号键。返回。
Your thumbprint has been deleted. Now delete your card. Pound key to continue delete.
请输入要删除的指纹、密码、密钥005，删除成功。
Okay, 5 has been deleted, and your card is also deleted.
请按星号键。
Next, let's go over how to delete your encryption key.
密钥删除用户请按1，按编号删除用户请按2。
Delete by ID is available here. For deleting by ID, it's the ID you received after entering your information. It will display numbers like 00 something. That is the ID. Let's try it out with an example.
请输入要删除的密钥编号。
I need the text you want rewritten. The password matches ID 006. And let's delete this key first. Just enter the password. ID 006.
密钥006，删除成功。
That means the key we just used is now deleted. Now we'll press the exit button first. Press the indoor unit's door button to exit. Alright, now, let's run a quick test to see if regular users can still open the door now. Okay, this is exactly the dull, dead sound. The door won't open for deleted users. Oh, the key card can't open the door either, including the password we just set. Okay, none work. All earlier regular users are removed. Next is the admin. Normally, factory reset is used to delete the admin account. Speaking of factory reset, after reset, the admin account should still work, right? The admin can still unlock the door. Since only factory reset can delete the admin, take this pin and press and hold the small hold. This time, you need to keep holding it.
即将恢复出厂模式，确认请按井号键。
Wait for the voice prompt. Press star to confirm, then pound. Setup completed after pressing the pound key. Setup done, which means your device has been restored to factory settings. After resetting, this is what will happen. Any fingerprint. Open the door.
Press 1 for English. 中文请按2。
It resets to the language selection screen. Press 2 for Chinese.
出
In
厂模
factory
式。
mode, you can use any finger. No fingerprints enrolled.
出厂模式开锁。
It will prompt factory mode unlock, which means the lock has been restored to factory settings. Okay, for now. Common functions overview. Please refer to the user manual for other specific functions.